complaint is with them. It's not with me. Okay?
I'm coming to you for help, desperate help.
And I understand what you're saying.
And I'm coming to you with evidence that support all claims. Evidence that support all claims.
And I'm going to redirect you back to where you need to go. It's not with me. Okay?
I'm not okay with that, but I have no choice.
So my next stop, if I was you, would be the Bingham County Sheriff's Office. And I would explain to them that I'd like to file a formal complaint.
This morning, there was an interaction with Captain Cowley. Even before they brought criminal charges against me, they identified me through the facial recognition software, and Crooked Cleve Colson, who is now a judge, put in an order for the sheriff's office to notify the prosecutor's office when an innocent and uncharged man enters a public building. That order from within the prosecutor's office and somebody with a conscience, it escaped and came back to me. I'm an innocent and uncharged man. I can't go into a public building without getting harassed. I can do it here, but you're a good, strong leader. But in the Bingham County building, Justin Oleson does a courthouse second floor where the magistrate and the district window are, does a intimidation and harassment scene while I'm waiting for audio copies to be copied from the court hearing that just happened. Him and Joni Murphy, a court clerk, are out there playing grab ass with each other and laughing and pointing and all kinds of unprofessional things. 13 hours later, someone that I learned is tied directly to her, either boyfriend or husband, is a Bingham County snowplow driver. He backs up to within 17 feet of the front door with an off-road snowplow across the front yard of my house just to teach me a lesson. And Sleepy Craig Rowland's in charge of that investigation too.
Okay.
That never turns into anything. The brother of the plaintiff of this case, who is a dentist here in Pocatello, and his name is Neff. Neff works for the mosquito abatement third leg that's under the control of Craig Rowland. I'm mowing my lawn in a distance from where you are to these posts out there, at a distance closer than that. Now, it's a hazardous material that's governed by Craig Rowland and delivered by the brother of the plaintiff against me, drives up and gasses me out, filling my lungs with a hazardous material during daylight hours when the rest of the world delivers mosquito spray after hours. And this guy is laughing so hard I could see his back molars. He was a little bit farther away than you and I are.
Okay.
And I reported that to Craig Rowland.
Well, again,
And nothing.
Your complaints are with the sheriff's office, okay, and the Bingham County Prosecutor's Office and the Bingham County Court System. Okay.
Cleve Colson, the Bingham County prosecutor, upon the plaintiffs and the defendants exiting the large courtroom, my wife and I and an attorney that's running like hell, we're leaving. And right there at the gates, I'm just trying to walk out of there. Cleve Colson races up, gets right here, throws his hands in the air, and squeals, staging assault on the prosecutor. And he had the whole prosecutor's office in there to witness. He had Lindsay Glutch over here, Chase Hendricks, David Cousins, Abigail French, and a four things. And that was brought to the attention of Roland, prosecutors, crooked, dirty Bruce Pickett, who's Joel Teeny, who is date cooking court filed documents.
Okay. again, sir, your complaints are with them, not with me. Okay? Until I receive an invitation from the Bingham County Sheriff's Office to handle your investigation, it's been reported. So I'm going to leave you with my business card. Okay? And now you know who you talk to.
How do I pronounce your name?
It's Winans.
Winans?
Yes.
Did I say that correctly?
Yep.
Thank you, Mr. Winans.
So that, as frustrating as it is for you, that's who you need to go with, okay? And that's who you need to continue to contact on this situation. So as far as the evidence goes, I am not accepting that because I would need a case number to tie it to, and I don't have an active investigation going on this, okay? Again, I will let you know if that happens, okay, by the invitation of the Bingham County Sheriff's Office. But for now, I don't have an investigation. Okay? Any other questions?
No, that's all we can do, Mr. Winans.
Okay.
They're going to kill me. I'm telling you, they are going to kill me.
Okay, well...
They've already had guns, drugs, multiple auto accidents, embellished, perjured, false claims. They've entered my home without a warrant. They've run my wife out of here. I am begging you,